This is an optional upgrade, but highly recommended. How would you like to instantly 10x your results and sales? By unlocking the hidden power of ChatGPT. Create high-converting, persuasive, and purpose-driven copy and content without being a copywriter in seconds. Grab our private step-by-step training and ChatGPT templates that will crush the competition and get you sales fast. Create instant copy for social media, SMS, emails, WhatsApp texts, videos, headlines, sales letter, presentations, scripts, blog posts, and more. Hi, thank you so much for believing in me and sticking with us this far. You see, with InstaRocket AI, you will be able to generate as much traffic you want on demand. But it's just not enough. If you don't know how to convert that traffic into leads and sales, it doesn't matter what you're selling, you still need content for advertising, social media posts, headlines, emails, scripts for presentations, blog posts, sales letters to close the deal. You need persuasive content that will capture your attention, connect with you, and inspire action. What if you can create killer content for all your marketing needs in just seconds without being a copywriter or outsourcing? I am sure you must have heard about how ChatGPT has taken the world by storm, but there is a lot of misinformation about it, and there are currently hundreds of millions of people trying to figure out how to use it. However, for the past 3 months, we have been extensively researching and testing ChatGPT, using every trick in the book to truly unlock its true potential. We developed our own proprietary templates, style strategies that help us generate high-converting copy that looks like it was written by a human, but it's actually generated by ChatGPT. Steal our proven step-by-step method and ChatGPT templates to 10x your sales and crush the competition. We have compiled all our proprietary strategies, techniques, and knowledge into this ChatGPT upgrade. This will save you months of research and trial and error, as you can easily replicate our results without having to go through all the pain and frustration. You will be instantly armed with everything you need to write and generate 100% unique, high-converting content. You will become a master at ChatGPT, and you'll be able to generate content like a pro in just seconds, even better than most copywriters out there. Here are the 7 advantages you get with our ChatGPT package. Advantage number 1, step-by-step ChatGPT video training. An in-depth video course which will show you exactly how to use ChatGPT for all your marketing needs. From setting up correctly, writing emails, headlines, sales scripts, and much more. This is based on our own testing and strategies. Advantage number 2, proprietary templates, 40 plus of our proprietary. Discover 40 innovative methods for crafting the perfect writing style with ChatGPT. From providing specific details and context to using templates and giving feedback, these techniques will help you generate more accurate and useful responses from ChatGPT and take your writing to the next level. Advantage number 3, our secret copywriter on call ChatGPT prompt. Our secret copywriter on call ChatGPT prompt you can use to transform this language model into your own personal copywriter on call 24/7 and ready to create high converting copy ads, headlines, and calls to action for you whenever you need them. Advantage number 4, our Dr. Conversion ChatGPT prompt. You'll also get our Dr. Conversion ChatGPT prompt that turns the bot into sales conversion and website optimization expert that's eager to critique your copy or answer your questions about improving and optimizing your conversion rates on landing pages, sales pages, ad campaigns, sales funnels, emails, and more. Advantage number 5, create content 10x faster and 10x easier. You will be able to save tons of time and money you would usually spend on hiring copywriters. You can let the bot do all the work for you and get your content done in record time. While your competitors are still struggling with copywriters and doing it the hard way, you will have already won the race. Advantage number 6, skyrocket your productivity and generate new ideas. Unleash the power of your creativity and imagination with the help of ChatGPT, great for brainstorming new ideas for marketing campaigns, email promotions, offers, and even new products. Advantage number 7, instantly boost your sales and conversions. Create a wide range of writing styles, from formal and professional to casual and creative, and allow you to tailor messages for every audience. It will help you craft messages that'll compel people to take action and buy from you, resulting in more sales, leads, and revenue. This is a complete no-brainer. With ChatGPT upgrade, you will be able to get the most out of your marketing and save time, money, and effort. You will get a huge advantage over your competition and see results much faster. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and make 2025 your most profitable year, yet now's the time to invest in ChatGPT upgrade. But, as you know, we cannot offer all of our resources to everyone, so this special offer is limited to the first 100 people only. Are you ready to make ChatGPT your personal copywriter and 10x your sales? Then upgrade to ChatGPT Edition now. See you inside.